সে এইমাত্র ইন্টারভিউ দিয়ে আসলো, ভাইবা দিয়ে আসলো। এখনও জানতে চাবো তার ভাইবার পরে তার ফিলিংসটা কীরকম।
I have no feeling that because of I didn't perform very well because they are asking so many questions to me. Like introduce about myself and what is entropy, what is first law, and explanation of first law, and Bernoulli's equation and forms of Bernoulli equation, how the three terms of energy will be eliminated, and psychometric chart, how to find the different data from psychometric chart and psychometric chart. First law, then selectivity, and divergence, invergence, and something I cannot catch on that.
ওকে, আমরা
জানতে চাও
জিনিস বলছি আপনার
আমি তো একটু
বলেছো